What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. In today's video, we're going to go over some stock price movements as well as some daily gains I had last Friday and over the weekend. I also got some stock picks for you guys and some crypto news along with some crypto that I purchased. If you like this type of content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell if you would like to follow my journey. I do have 12 different brokerages that I display on the channel, all with 100% transparency. I show all my buys, my sells, my gains, my losses, my withdrawals, and deposits. So basically, the challenge I'm using is something I started back in June. And basically what I do is deploy capital into the market, wait a set number of days, pull out my capital, and leave only the gains in the market, which is something I consider, free shares. Basically, it's shares that are riding on the house's money. There's also a link in the description below. You can get you can get 4 free stocks from Webull, valued up to $3,700 if you click my affiliate link, as well as you can get 1 free stock from Robinhood, 1 free stock from moomoo, and you can get $30 from M1 Finance. So let's get right into the video. This here is my Webull account. As you can see, the total account value is at $2,210.75. It is up $407.90. Total percent gain of 22.63%. So it's doing about 2 to 3 times better than the average market or the S&P 500. My top position at the moment in this brokerage is Spotify, ticker SPOT. I bought 1 share at $261. It's now valued at $339. So on Spotify, I'm up $77.65. Total percent gain of 29.71. This here will be my stash account. I'm up $588, up 8.53%, which is right along with the market average. Top holding in this account is Baidu Inc., which is a Chinese tech company. This is 3% of my portfolio. It's valued at $89.49. It is up 98.86%. Then in the Fidelity account, we got SSYS. I got 1.68 shares valued at $64.44. It is up $18.44. Total percent gain of 40.08%. These are some shares I've sold. These are out of the public account. As you can see, I sold $32 worth of Pro Share. And this is a Bloomberg crude oil ETF. This initial sale, I did make a profit of about $10 or so, which I just pulled my capital out and I left those profits into the position in the public account. Then I went ahead and placed the order to sell Technology Company Ltd. For $19.40. On this trade, I did lose about 60 cents, so I was not able to accumulate any fractional shares. Then I went ahead and sold a Spider Fund, which this is an energy selector select fund. Sold $34 worth. This one I also did make a profit. I left those gains into the public account and just withdraw my principal. So I'm going to have fractional shares of ticker XLE just riding on the house's money. Then here I purchased $1.06 worth of LTC properties, ticker LTC, in the stash account. That was due to me selling $36.06 worth of LTC properties out of the public account. This was an initial investment of $35, so I did make a profit of $106. Which I just went ahead and purchased in the stash account, because in the public account that balance wasn't great enough to go ahead and withdraw just the capital, so it makes you sell everything. So I went ahead and purchased it in the stash account just to build to my position that I already had in stash. Then I sold $36.45 of KB Financial Group. I did take a loss on this trade of 55 cents. Then I sold $37 of ticker TU. This one I did make some nice gains on. I left those profits into the public app and just withdraw the principal. Then I sold $38 of Invesco Dynamic leisure and entertainment ETF. I also made a profit on this trade. And as I do the other ones, I just left the gains inside the public account. And then I went ahead and sold $40.36 worth of PPL in the public account. I only made a profit of 36 cents. I just rounded that up to $1 and purchased $1 worth of PPL in the Stash App account. Then I withdrew some principal of $314.19 out of the public account. Then I went ahead and withdrew $38.19 out of the Stash account. Then we had some price movements on Friday. We had X1 up 5.2, LC up 5.2%, Sun W up 10.1%, Lemonade was up 4.9%, Datadog was up 5%. Then I got 7 stock picks for you guys. These stocks should be winners in the transition year for retail. So retail have a nice bounce back, post-pandemic. Due to stores opening up, as well as most companies building up their e-commerce platform, and that will continue to grow as well. Some of these I do own long term. The first one I got for you guys is ticker RBLB, which is Repsol Group. This is a long-term holding of mine. I'm currently up 16.43% on my position. This is a recent IPO that IPO'd back in June of 2019, and it did very well last year, up over 100%. This is not a dividend player; it's more of a growth play. Great analyst ratings on this company as well. They also had great earnings. This is basically a retail company that engages in next generation fashion for millennial customers. Operates through a few different segments. They have footwear, accessories, and beauty products. And they also have their own established brands, luxury brands such as Coach, Katy Perry, and a few others. Kate Spade, I'm sorry. Then we got ticker JWN. This is Nordstrom, also another retail play. Nordstrom has been doing very bad. They have been making a comeback the last 3 months. They're up over 160%. And Nordstrom also pays a dividend of around 4%. So you're going to get a nice return on your money. They also have great analyst ratings as well. Nordstrom is overcoming a weakness in customer traffic due to the COVID-19 with a strong e-commerce, that could estimate about $5.7 billion this year, which would be like 56% of total sales. Nordstrom's generational investment plan is finishing and is in operating efficiency have been improving. The company plans to save at least $200 million this year, which I believe is achievable. Nordstrom serves as a affiliate customer base in its full line stores, which separates it from many mid-level retailers and malls. Most of its stores are in productive malls that are not expected to be closed. Nordstrom's they've actually gotten their EPS together after Q1 and Q2, and basically they engage in the manufacture and trade of clothes, shoes, accessories. The next one I got for you guys is going to be Etsy, ticker ETSY. This is something I hold long term. I'm currently up 24.60% on this position. Etsy is a very great growth stock, and on average it grows about 500% a year, so it's doing very well. It also has very great analyst ratings. Looking at 17 analysts, we got an 88% buy rating. Etsy has great EPS, and this is going to be a company that engages in the management of online marketplace. Its technology platform allows sellers to manage and scale their businesses. The firm offers homemade products such as shoes, clothes, bags, and accessories. and it operates through the United States and other international geographical segments. So another great retail play. Then we got ticker FTCH, which is Farfetch. Farfetch is also a new recent IPO back in September of 2018. And it grows on average about 70% a year. So it's a great growth stock as well. Not a dividend payer. Looking at 17 different analyst ratings, we have a 70% buy. Consumer data collected and analysts over time, could result in better personalized merchandising, increasing conversation rates, and loyalty rates among customers and suppliers. The luxury market still lags over consumer sectors in online penetration and presents a strong growth opportunity for Farfetch. They also have great earnings as well. This is basically a company that engages in the provision of technology. It uses a platform for luxury fashion. It has a few different segments like digital platform, brand platform, and of course they have the in-store. Next up we have Piton Peloton, which is something I hold long term. I'm up 30.95% in this position. Peloton's a new IPO that just IPO'd February of 2020. It's already up well over 400%, which is doing very amazing. You got 26 analyst ratings, up over 84% of a buy. Peloton has great EPS as well. And Peloton's a at-home, fitness platform for live and on-demand indoor cycling classes. The company pioneered connected technology, enables fitness and the streaming of, an instructor-led boutique class for its members. So basically, Peloton is like a bike or a workout thing where you can have a live interaction or a live instructor there, using the technology on the screen. Then we got Carbano, which is a growth stock as well, which they sell cars and buy cars. I don't know if you've ever seen like their car displays or like cylinders that have cars in them, so you can buy cars and they'll deliver them straight to your house. They IPO'd back in April of 2017. This company typically grows pretty well, about 400% a year. Great analyst ratings, great EPS. Carbano is a holding company and an e-commerce platform which engages in the buying of used cars and provision of different and convenient car buying experience. The last one I got for you guys is StickFix, SFIX. This is also another recent IPO of late 2017. And this is a very, very great growth stock. Grows over 100% a year. Great analyst ratings. EPS weren't doing too well in quarter 3 and 4. But they did have a great quarter first year of 2021. And Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service that provides personalized fixes of apparel and accessories to men, women, and children. So those would be my 7 stock picks in the retail sector of the market. These would be the 7 companies that I got pretty good faith in that are gonna make a good bounce back in 2021. Then we have some more price movements. We got T-Doc up 5%. As you can see here, I added Farfetch to my watch list. Then I went ahead and bought ticker FITB, Fitbit. See if I sold that. It's weird. Okay, so I bought about 11% of a share of Fitbit in the Robinhood account. Then in the stash account, I purchased $2.05 of Wells Fargo. Then I purchased $1.39 of Bank of America in the Cash App. I purchased $1 worth of Duke Energy in the Robinhood. I purchased $5.68 worth of Exxon in the Robinhood. And then I purchased $1.24 worth of Altria Group in the stash account. And all these buys are coming from me selling out of positions in the Charles Schwab account. So I'll show you the sales next. So these are basically the profits that I had from all these positions. Then we bought 1383 worth of GM, ticker FLIR. We purchased 1075. These are deposits I made in Robinhood. 359, one for $2, one for $11.36, one for $21.50. So these are the shares of the Charles Schwab that I sold out of. We got Exxon. We sold our Wells Fargo. We sold Altria Group, General Motors, Flare Systems, Fifth Third Bank Corp, Duke Energy, Delta Airlines, Bank of America. Then we went ahead and withdrew some principal out of the Charles Schwab of $491.91. Now we're going to get into some crypto. We purchased a little bit of Bitcoin. This is 0.0096079% of a Bitcoin, which is probably about 31 bucks. Then we made a deposit into the Robinhood of $310. We bought some Bitcoin in Robinhood for $31. My new position is now, I got 1% of a Bitcoin. I bought this at a price of $31,642.20. Then we purchased $31 of Litecoin, or 22% of a coin. My new position is now 2.21 coins at a price of $137.41. Then we bought $31 of Dogecoin, which is 3,574 coins. My new position is now 26,206 Dogecoins at a price of 0.008673. Then we bought some Ethereum, 2% of an Ethereum for $31. I now own 30% of one Ethereum. Ethereum is now valued at $1,343.08. Then we purchased $31 of Ethereum Classic, so I got a little over 4 coins. I do now have 11.70 Ethereum Classic coins. Price per Ethereum is now $7.62. Then we bought $7 worth of Litecoin, which is 5% of a coin. My new position is now 2.21 coins at $137.59. Then we purchased $7 worth of Ethereum Classic, which is 91% of a coin. I now own 15.77 coins, price at $7.64. We bought $7 of Ethereum. I now own 0.32% of a coin at $1,383.20. Then I went ahead and purchased another 808 Dogecoins for $7. I now own 29,780 Dogecoins. Then we bought a dollar of Ethereum Classic, which is 13% of a coin. So I now own 16.69 Ethereum coins. Then I went ahead and purchased another 115 Dogecoins. I now own 30,588 Dogecoins. Then we purchased another dollar of Litecoin. So I now own 2.26% of a Litecoin. We bought $10 more of Bitcoin. Position is still basically 1% of a Bitcoin. Then we purchased $10 of BSB, which is 5% of a coin. I now own 0.38% of a BSB coin, priced at $172.92. Then we bought $10 more worth of Bitcoin Cash, or 2% of a coin. I now own 8% of a Big Cash coin at $429.06. Then we purchased another dollar of BSV. I now own 0.44 coins. Then we made a deposit into the eToro app of $646. I purchased $42 worth of EOS. Purchased $73 worth of Ethereum Classic. Purchased $73 of Tron TRX. Purchased $44 of Zcash, or Zinc. Then we purchased $73 of Ethereum. Purchased $103 worth of Bitcoin. Then we made ahead, purchased another $31 of Bitcoin Cash. We purchased $26 worth of ADA. Then we purchased $51 of ticker of coin XTZ. Then we purchased $31 of Stellar. $31 of IOTA. We purchased $31 of NEO. Purchased $31 of Litecoin. Purchased $31 of Zinc. Purchased $31 of EOS. Then I went ahead and made a withdrawal out of the Webull account for $124. I made a deposit into the Webull account of $104. And this would be to buy some crypto out of the Webull account, which I believe is Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, and Litecoin. Then this is just the overview of my portfolio and the tutorial. As you see, my biggest winner right now is Bitcoin. I'm up $82.98, up 80.56%. It's valued at $185.98. I've invested a total of $103, so basically that $103 is now worth $185. Down at the bottom, you see my equity is $911.74. Total profit is $72.72, and I still have $40.49 available for trading. This is some of the crypto on the Robinhood. These are total gains. Bitcoin is up $211. Ethereum's up $319. Bitcoin Cash is up $18. Litecoin's up $178. Dogecoin is up $144. Ethereum Classic is up over $23. And I'm down on BSV up $5.33. Then this would be the total equity of what I have in the coins. So I have $373 of Bitcoin. I got $473 of Ethereum, $48 of Bitcoin Cash, $328 of Litecoin. I got $267 of Dogecoin, $133 of Ethereum Classic, and $77 of BSV. Then total percentage gains on Bitcoin, I'm up over 131%, up 205% on Ethereum. I'm up 64% on Bitcoin Cash, up 119% on Litecoin, up 116% on Dogecoin, up 21.14% on Ethereum, and I'm down 6.42% on BSV. Then I went ahead and purchased some crypto in the PayPal account. My account value for crypto in the PayPal is $149.28. I got $37.01 worth of Bitcoin. It is up 1.84%. Then I got $38.09 worth of Ethereum. It's up 13.81%. Then I got $37.09 worth of Bitcoin Cash. It is up 4.57%. Then I got $37.09 worth of Litecoin. It is up 3.6%. And this will be kind of a closer look. On 25% of a Litecoin, on 8% of a Bitcoin Cash, on 2% of an Ethereum, and 0.00113013 of a Bitcoin. And then I went ahead and made another deposit into the eToro app of $67. I purchased $25 more of Bitcoin Cash, purchased $25 of Bitcoin, purchased $25 of XLM. Then in the Robinhood, purchased some more crypto, purchased $18 of Ethereum, so now on 0.33% of a coin. Purchased $18 more of Litecoin. I now own 2.27 Litecoins. Purchased another $18 of Dogecoin, so I now own 30,703 Dogecoins. Purchased $18 more of Ethereum Classic, so now I own over 16.82 Ethereum coins. These will be gains once again after I made some move purchases. As you see, I'm up $318.99 in Ethereum, and I'm also up 184.81% in Ethereum. Total value is $492.10 in Ethereum. As you can see, this is Bitcoin. My average cost is around $14,000. It's roughly about 6% of my portfolio. Bitcoin Cash, my average cost is $275. It is less than 1% of my portfolio. Then BSV, my average cost is $187. It's just over 1% of my portfolio. Then our average cost for Ethereum is $504. It's a little bit under 8% of the portfolio. Then Litecoin, average cost is around $69. It's around 5% of the portfolio. Then we got Dogecoin. Average cost is 0.004318. It is around 4 to 5% of the portfolio. Then we got Ethereum Classic, average cost of $6.71. It is 2.41% of the portfolio. Then we have the eToro account again. As you see, my equity is about the same. And these are just be other coins: Bitcoin, XZT, Bitcoin Cash, Zcash, Ethereum, Tron, EOS, Ethereum, Stellar, ADA, IDA, Litecoin. And this is the Bitcoin here. As you see, the first investment I made was for $47, which I made $85.51 off that investment. Then we got XTZ, invested $98, invested $81 in Bitcoin Cash, invested $75 into Zcash. We invested $73 into Ethereum, $73 into Tron, $73 into EOS, $73 into Ethereum. We put $56 into Stellar, $51 into ADA, $31 into Neo, $31 into IDEO, $31 into Litecoin. So those be my crypto purchases for the day, as well as some stock gains that I had on Friday. And of course, I had the 7 stock picks for you guys for the retail sector of the market. And then, of course, I showed you guys some of my deposits, some of my gains I've made in the crypto space. And I will keep adding and building to these crypto positions. I will be selling probably about 10 different stocks tonight. So I will drop that video shortly, right after this one. So if you did like this type of content, if you like this video, hit the like button for me. I'd appreciate it. Hit that bell, subscribe, follow my journey. I'll catch you guys in the next one.